Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at tax 20T. Okay, so it says open the file that you saved in tax 20M. Select from all the data only the employees who have a first name that has the second and the third letters EA. Okay, so what we're going to do here is simply to filter using a wildcard based on the name column. Okay, so I'm going to leave the file at the description below, the working file, the tax 20M. So it's going to be at the description below. All right, so we begin. So the first thing I do is to save my tax 20M. So this is tax 20M, of course. So I'm going to save it as tax 20T. Okay, so I'm going to do save as, browse to my location, and then have this as tax 20T. Okay, I will save that. So of course we're going to select our range. Okay, so I'll go to the sort and filter, take the filtering, and then I'm going to go to text filter. From there, what I need is begins with. Okay, so even if you don't see it here, you can choose the custom filter and then it will get it. Okay, let me just do that and then look for begins with. Where are you? Begins with. Yep, I got it. Okay, so I'm going to use. So what we need is the second and the third letter EA. Okay, so which means that we can say that we can use the question mark. So this question mark can represent the first letter. Okay, so of course we can now have EA right there. All right, so the question mark represents, this is a wild card, right? We're using wild card here. So the question mark here represents the first letter, and then E, second letter, and then A, the third letter. Okay, so it's going to give us a result of names of first name that starts has the second and the third letter, okay, as EA. All right, so let me okay that and then see the result. As you can see that, so the result it shows us here is that the Sean, it can have anything. The first letter can be anything, and then the second will be E and A. The same thing with Lee. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Another way is to use the equals in the custom auto filter. Okay, so let me just remove this and then try that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go back right there with my filter again, and then of course text filter this time around, equals. So I'm gonna take equals this time around. Okay, so what I need is the first, right? So equals the first, which is the question mark. So it takes the question mark, and then EA, the second and the third. Okay, so and the rest, it can be the rest. So how to represent the rest of the letters is of course the asterisks. All right, so this is how you're going to do it, and then if you okay it, it's going to give you the same result. Okay, so I hope you understand. You can leave a comment down below if you have any contribution or any question. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.